Kerala Quarters truly serving Kerala food or just another wannabe? Let's find out. As a proud Malayali, I take my Kerala food very seriously. Kozhikode style roller coaster ride. What's the plan? I'm here to fact check if these reviews are as spicy as they claim. Let's go. Below average food, not authentic cuisine, full of nonsense. It's not your Lucknowi style or Hyderabadi biryani. Oh my god. Hello food lovers, welcome to another episode of Binge or Bounce, where we take the most juiciest, outrageous online reviews and put them to the clarity test. This is your host Clary John and today we are at Kerala Quarters. Well, you all should know as a proud Malayali, I take my Kerala food very seriously. But this isn't a food fight. I am here to fact check if these reviews are as spicy as they claim or it's just full of nonsense. So let's read these reviews. Brace yourselves because we are about to go on a Kozhikode style roller coaster ride. Below average food, not authentic cuisine. Nool parota was just regular parota. Chicken biryani was underdone. Idiyappam was pre-cooked and reheated. My god, if this is true, I might have to go back to Kerala and cry in a kallu shop. The staff is extremely discourteous. Okay, I hope I'm not the one who's served with an attitude today. So here's the plan guys. We are going to order all the dishes mentioned in the reviews and put Kerala Quarters through the clarity test and rate this place on food quality, ambience, service and value for money. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! So let's begin with the food guys. I can't wait. I'm too excited. As a welcome drink, they've given us this buttermilk and some nice chakka chips. Who doesn't love a chakka chip? So first up we have is the parota. The review said the nool parota was really sad. But since we didn't have the nool parota available, I had to order the Malabar parota. And I've also ordered some nice manga curry with the parota. Guys, don't know about the nool parota, but the Malabar parota is really nice. It's flaky. It's the right amount of greasy. The fish is fresh and it's soaking up all the tangy gravy. And to be honest, the combination of the tart mango and the spicy coconut gravy is divine. So next we have is the chicken biryani, and the review said the chicken biryani was underdone. So I've already ordered the chicken biryani. I ordered the Calicut style chicken biryani guys. Look at this. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god. Alright. So they've given the chicken biryani along with some nice papadam. Papadam is love guys. I'm too happy to see a papadam on my plate. Okay. And he has some raita also along with this. So let's dive right in. Wait. No. I can't do this. Can't do this to my Mallu roots, guys. This is not working. I'm going to have it the old-fashioned style with my hands. Alright, some papadam for that crunch. This is so good, guys. It's not your traditional Lucknowi style or Hyderabadi biryani. This is Calicut biryani and it's made of kaima rice. Those short grain tiny rice that soaks up all the flavor but still doesn't get sticky. It's not overwhelmingly spicy, but it has a very nice subtle sweetness to it. I'm definitely binging on this guys. So next we have is the idiyappam. So the review said it was pre-cooked and reheated. But look at this idiyappam guys. It looks really fresh. But we'll only know once we try it. So I'm trying the idiyappam with some fish curry. So good guys. But this is soft. The idiyappam is definitely not yesterday's idiyappam. It's fresh. And as usual, the showstopper is the manga curry. The combination is to die for. Based on the clarity test, the food is authentic and flavorful. And the service is attentive and friendly. And the ambience is cozy and welcoming. I rated everything 5 stars except for value for money because prices are a bit on the higher side for Mallu food. So after the clarity test, I am giving Kerala Quarters a binge. That's it for today's clarity test. Join me next time on Binge or Bounce. And until then, keep eating, keep rating, and keep bouncing if it's not worth it.